All right, y'all. Welcome back. What we're going to tie today, this is the Royal Wolf. It's a really good attractor pattern. It doesn't really imitate anything special in the wild, but it definitely takes fish. This can be tied in a 10 through a 16. What we have in the vase today, this is a size 14. It's a 2X long, just because I'd like this fly to be a little bit longer, but a little bit smaller in the gap. What we're tying with today, this is Ultra Thread 70 in red, body material, peacock herl, and wing material, Zelon in white. The hackles that we'll use for this fly, I'm going to use one grizzly and one furnace, and both in brown. And then I'm going to use moose mane for the tail. Let's get started. We're going to come in right behind the hook eye. We're going to come down. And then we're going to come back up to about there. This is where we're going to tie our wing in. This white Zelon works really good. If you don't have Zelon or you don't want to spring for the money, the original fly pattern called for white calf tail works just as good. Sometimes this Zelon can be a pain in the ass to work with. All right, we're gonna come in, catch it, take 2 turns, get an eyeball on it here and see where it's gonna fall before we tighten it down. Then we're gonna take a good hard wrap, 2 more hard wraps, and we're gonna pull everything up. There we go. Good secure tie-in point. I'm gonna get rid of all that extra stuff right now. It's just gonna get away from you. All right, now we're gonna work our way to the rear. We're gonna bring our thread back just to the point of the gouge there at the top of the barb. And come in with our moose mane. Strip out all this under fur. Yeah, this is by far one of my favorite dry fly patterns to fish, and it's real easy to look at too. No, fish don't really care how aesthetically pleasing it is, probably, but we do. Another viewer request. I wanted to see the Royal Wolf tied. This is one of the all-time dry fly patterns that I keep in my box. It's definitely in my top 10. Tail is the length of the body. I'm gonna come in, clean this out. And a little bit more, what I'm doing is I'm using those leftovers to help build up my body. Oh, let's get you out of there. Take a look at it. Like the way it sits. See, that Zelon's just gonna fight me the whole way. And come back. I'm gonna take a couple of wraps underneath. When I'm doing that, I'm lifting up and pulling. Just like that, so that tail will stay flat and help support that back end of the hook. I'm gonna take 2 peacock herls, I'm gonna strip those down, clip the butts out, and catch those in on the side. I'm just gonna wrap them forward. 3 turns will do it. Catch that first one, come in, 3 turns. Catch the second. Let's open this up. You could just clip those herls out, but you just have to tie them right back in. So what we're gonna do is build this little patch of red and leave those herls in, just like so. We're gonna hold them together. Oop, got away from me. There we go. Let's try that again. Tie those back down. Catch those in. Break them out. That's going to get us to our tie-in point. If you guys are interested, we'll be doing live time tonight over on Facebook. I don't have enough subscribers to live stream on YouTube yet. We're going to be tying Lefty's deceiver. Come in, clean these up so I can get a good tie-in point for them. Catch those in right behind the wing. Advance that up. And cross under. Nice touch and turns. All the way up. We want this to be really full. Catch those in. Take a look at it. It looks pretty good. We'll come in and whip it, or half hitch, whichever one you do. Come in, clean these hackles out right there. You can tie these pretty quick once you get used to the pattern. And they will definitely take fish for you. It's a good attractor pattern. You can tie this in a stimulator too. Works really well. All right, now that that's up, we're gonna come in, trim out the wing just a little bit above your hackles. Just like that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you guys want to come check us out while we're doing the deceiver, come on over to our Facebook page. Hopefully you guys enjoy this pattern. It's one of the ones that I would definitely put in my box. It's been around forever, and there's a good reason for it. It just continues to take fish. Use it, try it, show it to your friends. Most people in fly fishing community they know about the Royal Wolf. Super awesome pattern. And don't forget to turn on that bell icon. That way you guys get notifications when we upload our new content. And until next time, or later tonight for you guys that tune in, tight lines.